This way they get the fur, the bones, the guts, and all that really good juicy stuff as well. So let's see if anyone's hungry. Oh, hey Hershey, come here.
Oh my goodness.
That's Hershey, that's one of the crocodiles that's in here. Just to give everyone a little bit of history on our park, we have been here for over 125 years, having been established in 1893. However, this is not our original location. We're actually located just across the street over at Anastasia State Park. However, in the 1920s, we suffered from a lot of natural disasters, flooding, hurricanes, the things that you get in Florida. So we decided to move to our current location right here. In 1937, we were purchased by the Drysdale family, and we have been with them ever since. Under them, we went from having just American alligators, which is what you see in front of you, to having all 24 species of crocodilian. We are one of the only places in the world where you can see all 24 species. So if you're trying to check anything off your list, today's the day to do that. American alligators are able to jump roughly about 2/3 of their body out of the water. We're not likely to see that right here because it is a little bit shallow in this area. And it's also really hard to jump that high when all of your buddies are standing on your back. In the wild, American alligators are going to eat anything from crustaceans, fish, lizards, birds, small mammals, and when they get to a certain size, they'll even take down whole adult deer. However, there is a problem with taking down such large prey items, and that is the fact that alligators can't actually chew. Their mouths only go up and down, they don't go side to side. So it makes it kind of difficult to take something down that's that big. So they end up doing what TV has not so nicely dubbed the death roll. I'm sure you guys have all seen YouTube videos of usually it's like a Nile crocodile taking down a wildebeest.
That
360-degree spin that they do is what has been dubbed the death roll. It's not actually how they kill their prey though, it's more like how they dismember their prey. There's no easy way to put it, but it's basically their version of a fork and knife. With how big these animals are, you'd probably be amazed to find out how little they actually eat. In the wild, an adult alligator is probably going to eat only about, hi Hershey again, is only probably going to eat about 90 pounds of food or so. That's the equivalent of you or I eating roughly about one sandwich a week. That's it, that's all they need. The reason why they don't eat so much is because they are what are called cold-blooded animals, which means that they can't produce their own body heat, so they don't have to worry about kind of using all of their energy to produce that body heat. So they let the sun do that for them, which is why, like on sunny days like today, you'll see a lot of them out basking. Some of them won't even come for food because they'd rather just stay in the sun, which is perfectly fine. It's their decision to come up here. Looks like I am down to my last rack, so let's see if anyone over here is hungry.
How do you know that?
Go high.
There we go. But like I said, everyone, that was my last rodent. If you have any questions, I will be over by the theater for a few minutes after the show. Otherwise, our next show will be at 4 o'clock in our Alligator Lagoon, where we're going to go more in depth about alligator natural history.
See how that is.